Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making tasty green moong dal, which is good for heart and digestion and has many health benefits. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let's see the base ingredients first. Here I've taken one medium-sized chopped onion, one tomato chopped, coriander leaves, stems of coriander leaves which is around 1.5 tablespoon and 25 cloves of garlic, 2 green chillies. In goes in a pressure cooker 1 cup of green moong. This is thoroughly washed, not soaked. Add the cut tomato and green chillies. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Add 5 cups of water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 4 whistles on high flame and wait till the pressure releases on its own. Once the pressure gets released on its own, let's check if the moong is done. As you can see, the moong is cooked really well. Mash it a little by the back of the ladle like so. This helps to thicken the gravy. Transfer the dal to a kadai. Add the coriander stems. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Give it a nice mix and let this cook for 10 minutes on low to medium flame. The gravy should thicken. Close the lid and cook. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the gravy has reduced. Now add 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi. This enhances the overall flavors and gives a restaurant style taste. Now close the lid and simmer for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the tadka. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds once it's splutter. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera. 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Now add the chopped garlic. Fry the garlic till it turns light brown. Now add the onions. Saute the onions till it turns nice and brown. Now towards the end, add 2 Kashmiri red chillies. The key is to brown the onions really well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder and switch off the flame. This is to add a nice color. Now add the tempering to the dal and immediately close the lid and simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, garnish it with some coriander leaves. Give it a mix. And that's it. Our delicious green moong dal is ready to be served. This tastes very good with steamed rice, some raita, achar and papad. Let's move towards the plating. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos and can learn recipes like so. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.